Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nyla and I am back with a Skyway Classics car. Today I have a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Corvette. Absolutely stunning baby blue with the white interior. This thing is mint condition. It is a manual transmission, 4-speed on the floor. Absolutely stunning. Show you this interior. You got the blue and the white door panels. So pretty. Original dash, odometers, radio. Got the white ceiling. The carpet in here is in awesome shape. Super, super pretty. Just doing a quick little walk around. Next, I'm gonna start the engine up and we'll take a look at the engine bay, which is absolutely gorgeous. Then we'll take it for a ride and I'll follow it up with some shots of the undercarriage. Stay tuned.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
How exciting is this on a beautiful 78-degree day, sun's out, and we get to get in a 1966 Corvette Stingray.
Pretty cool.
Yep, car's been restored. Once upon a time, I would give the paint job a solid, 7.5. The only 10 I ever give out now is my wife. She's the only 10. So I gotta tell you, I am impressed with this car. It drives, shifts. Look at going down the driveway, it doesn't creak.
Yep.
Shifts out really nice. So what I thought we'd do is take it for a ride and then we'll throw her up on the hoist so you can show everybody what it looks like underneath there.
Sounds good.
But this car is priced right too. A lot of these cars are in the low hundreds or in the 90s. I mean, this car, I believe, well, I gotta double check it, but it's gonna be a very affordable 66 Corvette. Going through all 4 gears, as you can feel, nice power. Brakes are awesome. Tachometer works, speedometer works. Brakes don't pull. Look at them, letting the steering wheel go
Straight
with the brakes,
narrow.
nice
Good.
and straight. All the gauges work. We will put some more gas in it before we put it up on the hoist, but just a quick little ride to enjoy just an American classic that is just waiting for someone to take home and enjoy as much as we are.